Hey folks, Matt King with the King Piers team back out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd greatly appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in downtown Kansas City. As you can see, this is our big project we're looking to get wrapped up today. A few main scopes of work. Here you can see on the walls we conducted our stone foundation renovation. It's beautiful work. These are some of my favorite jobs to do because of the real before and after that you can see. And I highly encourage everyone to go back and look at our earlier videos from when we started this project, and you'll see the drastic difference on this job. Stone renovation jobs, pretty simple process. We clear all the debris, loose mortar, dirt from the walls, haul all that off site. We then come in with our King Piers blend of high strength concrete mortar, and from top to bottom, corner to corner, everywhere accessible, we will completely remortar the stone foundation walls. And then the final step, as you can see, is the application of our white waterproofing paint. So that is the first main scope of work on this project. The second one, as you can see, we have completely torn out the existing basement floor. Real thin concrete. It was mostly bedrock underneath it, so we've got our gravel laid out where we need it. You can see we've got everything marked for the height for the floor that we are in the process of pouring right now. As we work our way to the back, you'll be able to see that. And then aside from pouring the floor, that's the second main scope of work here. You can see we've touched up a lot of the tuck pointing on the existing brick walls. Originally, the customers were going to look at doing the full renovation on that, but they wanted to keep the brick look, so no issues there. This section was only touched up with the tuck pointing, and it's not painted. This is going to be enclosed in drywall, so we're still going to pour the floor. This is all going to be covered up, so they didn't want to have that painted. But as we work our way back here, luckily we were able to line up a line pump and concrete today to get this done. Otherwise we would have been stuck with the middle of next week due to the holiday. But we've got the back room concrete all laid out. Now we're just working our way back towards the cellar entrance. So by all accounts, we should be pretty much wrapped up with this job later this afternoon. We have a couple more loads of debris to get hauled off. Tomorrow morning, we're going to come back and get these wood stairs reset. But other than that, I think that should be about it. There might be some little paint touch-ups we have to do, but the major work should be all done this afternoon. So stay tuned for the final update tomorrow. We'll do a walkthrough once the concrete's dry. You can really see how everything is done, how it looks on completion. You'll be able to find those updates on YouTube and Facebook. Again, just search for King Piers LLC. If you have not visited before, we'd greatly appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe while you're there. You can go to our website as well, kingpiers.com, and you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. Thank you.